Dude, my feet is killing me.
Yeah? The struggle, oh my god. Oh.
How do you feel? Last day?
Graduating! So exciting, yeah.
Yeah.
So fast.
And then please also check each other's attire. Ideally when you... Okay, yeah, 401, 402, please stand up now and then you can just head out.
Graduating!
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling...
Same time. Magical. Yeah! Yeah.
The deadline is time. I don't know about you. I'm feeling 22. Shout it out
We're now going to Megan's house to get ready for fam.
Yay! Excited!
Hi guys. So guess what? Taylor Swift's new album is coming out in 2 minutes. 1 more minute. Just showered. We just showered, so we look very crusty. But it's okay. Anything for Taylor Swift. The loudest. Oh, it came out already? Quick. Too many people. Too many people. You know the story? You're on your own kid. That's what the song is called. You're on your own kid. Yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, I like this one. No. What is this? Wait, what? You went off on that? Yeah.
Cool. Turn around. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Hey guys, we're going to be getting ready. Getting ready with me. Okay, yeah. It's for what? I use it for my face because I'm lazy for the rest. So you put that, then you put foundation, right? Huh? No, then you put concealer, yeah. This is my first time ever like putting up makeup for myself, which is really interesting experience. Hey Nicole, where's my moisturizer? Oh, it's there. Wait, thanks. Vogue skincare routine. My skin is like so bad. Same. Okay, moisturizer, then conceal. No, foundation. Where is the foundation? My foundation? I feel like I have, but I don't know what it is. Can I just borrow it? That's what it is. Why are you wearing your heels now? I need to practice. I don't know what to do. How do you even put on mascara? Oh, you then later I help you. Then you need to have me for everything because I don't know anything. Can of course. Oh, it's lipstick. I feel like when you look at it from this side, it looks really weird. No, because my hair is just weird and poofy like that. It's not weird. Hello?
Shirt and I got a good girl thing and a top.
my little skirt.
Yeah. How do you put this on? You think this is enough? I think I'm okay, right?
Just don't your heels hurt. My heels do hurt. Barely wore it for a minute. Nicole, hope you're being such a slave. Our grab is late. Late. Hey, let's trip before at the back. Megan, just squeeze here. It's fine.
You were away. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever do. They talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete. Watch the sun as it to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever
You look so good. Oh my god.
Fall in love again until I found you. Never fall again until I fall into in this darkness and
Rainy days don't seem so bad. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were
Oh, you're finally back.
This could be the best thing that I'll ever
Moment you should not be taking a video of. It's okay, she spilled chocolate. Of me peeing. Let's take a picture. Okay.
talk for hours.
You wanna take photo? Yeah. How do you feel?
Two silhouettes on the corner.
Makes me I like the food. Slay. I don't think the world is so. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something's so wrong. Do the lyrics. I couldn't lie. Everything that kills me makes me lately I've been. No more counting dollars, let me count stars. Less dollar, take that money. Oh, you see? Taylor Swift. Hi, how are you feeling?
Great.
Oh my God,
I'm so
you're looking
thirsty. I
great.
did not bring water.
You look so fit. I actually love your outfit.
There's a drink there.
Awesome. I think I know.
stay.
Bye bye.
From the moment that we met,
I will sing myself the praise.
this could be
Within my mind, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and you will never, ever, ever put up, baby, baby, baby. Oh, dancing queen. This is her jam. You can dance, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, singing the dancing queen. Having the time of your life. Ooh, on the phone and your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going on about something that you said. And she doesn't get your humor like I do. She's sure kept on it. I'm on the bleacher, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find out what you're looking for. I've been here the whole time, and if you see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. I remember you driving to the house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite song, and you tell me about your dreams. And you know where you belong, and you know it's with me. I know about you. I'm feeling 22. Everything will be alright if you give me next to you. You know about me. I bet you wanted to. Everything will be alright if you just keep dancing like we're 22. Oh my god.
Dude, my feet is killing me. Careful.
The struggle, oh my god.
Oh, it's killing me. I can't hold my skin.
Happy take picture.